Chapter 1: The Early Years of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln's journey from a frontier upbringing to becoming one of America's most revered leaders began in a small log cabin near Hodgenville, Kentucky, on February 12, 1809. Born to Thomas Lincoln, a farmer, and Nancy Hanks Lincoln, Lincoln's early life was marked by hardship and a thirst for knowledge. Growing up in a frontier environment, young Abraham had limited access to formal education. However, his stepmother, Sarah Bush Johnston Lincoln, encouraged his love for learning and supported his efforts to read and educate himself. Despite these challenges, Lincoln's determination and intellectual curiosity soon set him apart. At the age of 22, Lincoln left home and settled in New Salem, Illinois, where he worked various jobs and continued his self-education by reading law books. His keen intellect and integrity earned him respect among his peers, and he quickly became involved in local politics. Lincoln's entry into politics marked the beginning of his public career. He served in the Illinois state legislature from 1834 to 1842. Where he gained valuable experience and honed his skills as a lawyer and statesman. His deep-rooted belief in the principles of equality and justice began to shape his political views and set him on a path toward national prominence. Throughout these formative years, Lincoln faced personal and professional setbacks but persevered with unwavering determination. His early experiences in the rugged frontier of America instilled in him a sense of resilience and empathy that would later define his leadership style. As Abraham Lincoln embarked on the next chapter of his life, the political landscape of the United States was rapidly evolving, setting the stage for his historic rise to the presidency and his enduring legacy as a visionary leader. Chapter 2: The Rise to Presidency. Abraham Lincoln's rise to the presidency of the United States was a culmination of his growing reputation as a skilled orator, astute politician, and principled leader during a turbulent period in American history. By the 1850s, tensions over slavery had reached a boiling point in the United States. Lincoln, who had gained national recognition for his debates with Senator Stephen A. Douglas on the issue of slavery extension into the territories, emerged as a prominent figure in the newly formed Republican Party. His articulate defense of the Union and opposition to the expansion of slavery resonated with a growing number of Americans who shared his convictions. In 1860, Lincoln secured the Republican nomination for president and faced off against three other candidates in the general election. Despite not winning the popular vote, he secured a decisive victory in the Electoral College, becoming the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln took office at a time when the nation was deeply divided. Southern states began seceding from the Union in response to his election, leading to the outbreak of the Civil War in April 1861. As Commander-in-Chief, Lincoln faced the daunting task of preserving the Union while navigating the complexities of a war that would ultimately redefine the nation. Throughout his presidency, Lincoln demonstrated remarkable leadership qualities. His ability to communicate with clarity and conviction, as seen in iconic speeches such as the Gettysburg Address and his second inaugural address, inspired both soldiers and civilians alike. He made strategic decisions that shaped the course of the war and advanced the cause of emancipation. One of Lincoln's most significant achievements was the issuance of the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863, which declared the freedom of all enslaved people in Confederate-held territory. While it did not immediately free all enslaved individuals, it signaled a pivotal shift in the Union's war aims and laid the groundwork for the eventual passage of the 13th Amendment, which formally abolished slavery in the United States. Lincoln's presidency was marked by personal tragedy and immense pressure. Yet he remained steadfast in his commitment to preserving the Union and advancing the cause of liberty. His leadership during this tumultuous period solidified his place as one of America's greatest presidents and left an indelible mark on the nation's history. As Abraham Lincoln entered his second term in office, the challenges he faced would only intensify, setting the stage for a conclusion that would shape the future of the United States and secure his legacy as a transformative leader. Chapter 3: Legacy and Impact. Abraham Lincoln's legacy extends far beyond his presidency, encompassing his enduring impact on American society, politics, and values. His leadership during one of the nation's darkest periods left an indelible mark that continues to resonate today. Following the end of the Civil War and Lincoln's re-election in 1864, his focus shifted towards the daunting task of Reconstruction. He advocated for a compassionate approach towards the defeated South, emphasizing reconciliation and the restoration of the Union. His vision for a united country free from the scourge of slavery guided his policies during this critical period of rebuilding. Tragically, Abraham Lincoln's life was cut short when he was assassinated by John Wilkes Booth on April 14, 1865, just days after General Robert E. Lee's surrender effectively ended the Civil War. His untimely death shocked the nation and left a profound void in American leadership. Despite his assassination, Lincoln's principles and ideals continued to shape the course of American history. The passage of the 13th Amendment in December 1865, which permanently abolished slavery in the United States, stood as a testament to his unwavering commitment to justice and equality. Lincoln's legacy also includes his enduring impact on American political culture. His belief in the importance of democracy, the rule of law, and the preservation of the Union set a precedent for future generations of leaders. His ability to navigate complex challenges with humility, integrity, and determination remains a source of inspiration for leaders worldwide. Beyond his immediate impact, Abraham Lincoln became a symbol of hope and resilience for generations of Americans. His speeches, including the Gettysburg Address and the Second Inaugural Address, continue to be studied for their eloquence and moral clarity. They encapsulate Lincoln's profound understanding of the American experiment and his dedication to its highest ideals. In conclusion, Abraham Lincoln's leadership during the Civil War era and his unwavering commitment to freedom and unity have solidified his legacy as one of America's greatest presidents. His ability to steer the nation through its darkest hour and his enduring impact on American values make him a figure of profound significance in both history and memory. Abraham Lincoln's story serves as a reminder of the transformative power of leadership guided by principles of justice, equality, and compassion. Chapter 4: Lincoln's enduring influence. Abraham Lincoln's influence extends well beyond his presidency and his tragic death. His legacy has shaped not only American history but also global perspectives on democracy, equality, and leadership. One of Lincoln's enduring legacies is his commitment to the principle of equality. His leadership during the Civil War era, particularly his advocacy for the abolition of slavery and his issuance of the Emancipation Proclamation, marked a pivotal moment in American history. While the Emancipation Proclamation did not immediately free all enslaved individuals, it laid the groundwork for the eventual passage of the 13th Amendment, which formally abolished slavery in the United States. Lincoln's unwavering stance against the institution of slavery solidified his place as a champion of human rights and justice. Lincoln's eloquence and moral clarity in his speeches, such as the Gettysburg Address and his Second Inaugural Address, continue to resonate with people around the world. The Gettysburg Address, delivered in 1863 at the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, encapsulates Lincoln's vision of a nation dedicated to the principles of equality and democracy. His call for a government of the people, by the people, for the people, remains a defining statement of democratic governance. Furthermore, Lincoln's leadership style, characterized by his humility, empathy, and ability to unify, continues to serve as a model for leaders in times of crisis. He faced immense challenges during his presidency, including the Civil War and the preservation of the Union, with steadfast resolve and determination. His willingness to listen to diverse viewpoints and his capacity to make difficult decisions for the greater good underscored his effectiveness as a leader. In addition to his domestic policies, Lincoln's foreign policy initiatives, such as the navigation of diplomatic relations during the Civil War and his efforts to maintain neutrality and secure international support for the Union cause, showcased his strategic acumen on the global stage. Abraham Lincoln's tragic assassination in April 1865 robbed the nation of a leader poised to guide the country through the complexities of Reconstruction. However, his legacy endured through subsequent generations, inspiring movements for civil rights and social justice in the United States and beyond. In conclusion, Abraham Lincoln's life and leadership continue to influence and inspire people worldwide. His dedication to the principles of equality, democracy, and justice, coupled with his profound impact on American history, secure his place as one of the most revered figures in global leadership. Lincoln's story serves as a reminder of the enduring power of leadership guided by moral clarity, empathy, and a steadfast commitment to the ideals of freedom and unity. Chapter 5: Lincoln's Lasting Legacy and Memory. Abraham Lincoln's enduring legacy transcends his presidency and continues to resonate in the fabric of American society and global history. In the aftermath of his tragic assassination in 1865, Lincoln's memory became enshrined in the collective consciousness of the nation, evolving into an iconic symbol of leadership, integrity, and perseverance. Following Lincoln's death, the nation mourned deeply for the loss of a leader who had guided the country through its most tumultuous period. His assassination at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C., by John Wilkes Booth, a Confederate sympathizer, shocked the nation and underscored the deep divisions that lingered in the aftermath of the Civil War. Despite his untimely death, Lincoln's legacy endured through efforts to preserve his memory and uphold his ideals. The Lincoln Memorial, dedicated in 1922 in Washington, D.C., stands as a majestic tribute to his leadership and contributions to the nation. Designed in the style of a Greek temple with a towering statue of Lincoln seated solemnly within, the memorial serves as a pilgrimage site for visitors seeking to pay homage to the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln's speeches, particularly the Gettysburg Address and his second inaugural address, remain timeless expressions of his commitment to democracy, equality, and national unity. The Gettysburg Address, delivered at the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, succinctly captured the essence of American ideals and principles. Lincoln's call for a new birth of freedom, and his affirmation of government, of the people, by the people, for the people, continue to inspire generations of Americans and people around the world. Beyond his role as a political leader, Lincoln's personal qualities of humility, compassion, and resilience have left an indelible mark on American culture. Stories of his self-education, his ability to relate to people from all walks of life, and his sense of humor amidst adversity continue to resonate with individuals seeking guidance in times of challenge. In the realm of civil rights and social justice, Lincoln's legacy influenced subsequent generations of leaders and activists who sought to fulfill the promise of equality enshrined in the nation's founding principles. The civil rights movement of the 20th century drew inspiration from Lincoln's commitment to justice and his efforts to eradicate the scourge of slavery. In conclusion, Abraham Lincoln's lasting legacy as a transformative leader, visionary statesman, and symbol of American democracy remains deeply ingrained in the nation's history and consciousness. His leadership during the Civil War era, his dedication to the principles of equality and justice, and his enduring impact on American values secure his place as one of the most revered figures in global history. Lincoln's memory continues to inspire individuals to uphold the ideals of freedom, unity, and opportunity for all, ensuring that his legacy will endure for generations to come.